Okay, so this week I've mainly been working on the outside of the building and the warehouse, just cleaning it up. But we've got the engine out of the sub and we got the rear frame out of the Smaart. So today I'm gonna talk a little bit more about what I'm planning and, well, you'll see. So first off is the engine package. We just welded it up to keep the angles and all that stuff. And then bolted it loose from the sub. We're gonna use the standard front subframe with the mountings in the front and the rear. And we probably need some new shocks that are shorter, because they're kind of causing a clearance issue. For the engine control, I'm going to use the standard ECU system because it's actually quite awesome, really. Much better than many aftermarket ECUs, at least the cheaper ones. So I had this stock unit, which is 170 horsepower, and then I got hold of this, which came from a police car. So I think it has like stage 1 tuning or something like that. It produces about 225 to 250 horsepower. I'm not really sure yet, but it's not stock. So we're gonna start off with that, and then we're gonna upgrade this unit when we get the bigger turbo. This is the rear subframe from the Smaart. It contains the wheels and the suspension, and this is where the engine is and where the drivetrain is. It's actually just mounted with the 4 bolts, which are these, the same on both sides. So this is what we're gonna build for our front frame from the sub. As you can see, we got some clearance issues here, so we're gonna cut off this part and just maybe just flip it over or build a new wall inside the car so you can get the engine up, because the top of the engine is gonna stick up through the hole about 1 decimeter, that's 4 inches. As you can see, the rear suspension is gonna be a problem unless we can make it shorter. It interferes with the chassis here, so we either want to lean it in or lean it out, or, well, we gotta solve it somehow. And as you can see, the rear wheels is gonna be a bit further to the rear of the car, but I don't think that's gonna be a problem because it's quite short as it is already. We're gonna fix it with a wider body kit. And these are the stock seats, and the new seats I'm gonna put in. I've got 2 of these. These are Ricardo Hounds, race seats, proper ones. So next up is cutting a hole in the rear of the car to see how we're gonna be able to mount the engine, and then start building the frame that will connect the front frame from the sub with the chassis from the Smaart. And after that, we're gonna start to figure out how to get the engine running again. So tune in.